Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Leap native instruments. We'll start by understanding what these powerful tools are and how they can transform your music production. You'll discover their intuitive interface and robust features designed to help you create professional quality audio with ease. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, ensuring you gain a solid foundation for your creative journey. Get ready to unlock new sonic possibilities. To begin, install the Leap Native Instruments software, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. Next, connect your hardware, like a MIDI controller, using a standard USB cable. Open your digital audio workstation and navigate to the audio settings. Select your audio interface for both input and output to ensure proper sound routing. Finally, perform a quick sound check to confirm everything is working correctly before diving into creation. Now, let's explore some core features. Open an instrument like Synth One and browse its extensive library of over 200 presets. To customize a sound, adjust parameters such as the filter cutoff or amplifier attack, typically found on the main interface. Experiment with different settings to hear how they dramatically alter the sound. Remember, even small tweaks can lead to entirely new sonic textures, giving you immense creative control. To enhance your workflow, try automating parameters. This allows you to record changes to controls like volume or filter cutoff over time, adding movement to your tracks. Create effect chains by stacking multiple processors, perhaps a reverb followed by a delay, for rich, layered sounds. Save your favorite custom presets and project templates. This can save you hours of setup time. Continuous experimentation is key to mastering these powerful instruments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.